So starting the test drive in the F-150 King Ranch, again, the King Ranch is so awesome because it has the best feeling interior, I think, out of not only the F-150 lineup, but pretty much every other truck. I mean, the leather just feels so genuine. I feel like this is from an old holster, like a gun holster or a saddle or whatever from the 1890s. It just feels so premium, just high quality. But as I said, I think I did the Lariat trim with the PowerBoost engine. The PowerBoost is my favorite powertrain offered in the F-150 by far. It almost convinced me to go from a Mustang Mach-E with an EV powertrain to this pickup truck, because the PowerBoost is just so strong. You're getting 23 miles per gallon city, and then this is just as capable, in terms of what I need it for at least, as any other full-size truck on the market. And nobody else is really touching that 23 miles per gallon city right now in a full-size pickup. And you get that 3.5 liter twin turbo pull still, you just have the additional help of the electric motors. So even just in normal mode, drives great, and in sport mode, it just unleashes so much torque. You can feel that thing pull you. So it's a pretty impressive powertrain all in all. And what's great is it's a lot, all of the F-150s to me are pretty quiet, just coasting or cruising down the, you know, a typical road. But the PowerBoost just takes it another step further, especially when the engine's cut off and you're just running on the regenerative braking system. Because it's crazy to get that from such a big truck. So I'm gonna put the truck into sport mode now, and we'll see how it does. Then we're gonna put our foot to it. Yeah, super quick. So we have the adaptive cruise on now. I'm going to set the gap about halfway. And then we have the lane centering on here. Just a great system. I think I have 2.0 or 2.5 my Mach-E, and this just has the 1.0, but the 1.0 is great. I think you just don't have the Blue Cruise capability, but honestly, you have to pay for it anyways. And I just like having the lane centering. I don't necessarily need the hands-free. I can hit it every so often or whatever. But to me, F-150 still offers a lot more than the competition in terms of the powertrain, the features you get, and the trim levels. And that's why I think it's still been the #1 selling pickup truck for so long. So the only issue that I have with this truck that's pretty noticeable on this test drive is when I do try to reach for the drive modes, because it's so close to the four-wheel drive controls, I don't know if I'm fat fingering the controls for the four-wheel drive while I'm trying to change drive modes. But again, you'll usually probably do that from a stop or just every so often anyway. So not a deal breaker, just something to keep in mind. But still a fantastic truck in my opinion. And this will bring me to the end of my review of this 2023 Ford F-150 King Ranch with a PowerBoost engine.